we got to get some things together because as I'm reading this, you being obsessed with a girl you've never met comes from a place of you not knowing who you are. Because I can just read this and I can tell you that you're probably not getting out the house enough. You're probably not, pursuing enough hobbies. You're probably not trying hard enough to progress in the way that you want to progress. And this is 100% the reason why you're having all of these episodes of depression, why you're feeling the way that you're feeling, you feel stuck. It's probably the same reason why you haven't found a job after graduating. You said a few years ago, 2021. So as the recording of this video, we're in 2025. That's 4 years ago. And if you haven't found a job in 4 years after getting a degree in the tech field, then probably doing something wrong. And that being said too, at some point or another, we got to stop preparing and we have to actually start doing. And I know this because I face this problem a lot too. Like I have this problem even with myself. I do a lot of doing. I do a lot of trying and figuring things out and blah, blah, blah. And then I end up spending so much time thinking about it. Like I never actually get around to doing it. And that's your problem. You've probably been texting this girl, talking to this girl, thinking that, oh, wow, she's the only thing that I needed to get my life together, but I've never met her and blah, blah, blah. And this comes from you not living a life of abundance. You're probably not going out. You probably don't have many friends. You stay at home with your parents, I think you said, this, that, and the other. All of these things. You got to get into steps, man. You got to get into these simple 7 steps to get your life in order. And to get your life in order, you got to stabilize because you are so unstable. If you're obsessed with a woman you've never seen before, this automatically means you're not stable. You're in step 1. We have to clean your room, clean your house. We got to secure work because we haven't done that yet. All right. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm battling allergies, y'all. So please forgive me. But yeah. So like, if you want to stop living this way, we're going to have to, number 1, we got to get a job. We got to clean up our immediate area first. If your room is a mess, if you're not healthy, if you're not in shape, working out, you got to start that first. Then you start that. Then we need to find a damn job. You got your degree in IT, good, but we need money coming in. All right. Apply to Walmart, get something, do something that's going to pay the bills because we got to get you out your parents' house. And then we got to start spending your money in the right places. You want to get these certs, you're going to have to study, you're going to have to pay for them, and that's going to help boost your resume and this, that, and the other. Then you need to start getting into brotherhood. This is where you find people like me. This is exactly why you're watching this video, because you don't know what to do. Nobody's told you. Nobody's really sat and talked to you about how you're going to get there. That's how. This is exactly how. And this is what I love stories like this because I know that I've been there. I know how that feels. And yeah, that's all it is to it, man.